There you go. It sinks, doesn't it?
It's floating. Blow it.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Good job.
Done?
Now what we need to do is put like a prop on it.
A little animal.
A little Lego man. I know. Violet, be careful.
No.
Violet, don't touch, okay?
Violet, it's going to sink if you touch it.
She's trying to help bring it back to you.
I can bring it back to me by myself and blow it so it goes on the end of the sink.
Aren't you independent?
I sang the monkey of the sailboat cuss.
What?
The monkey of the sailboat cuss.
What did you say?
The whale-boat sank on another paper boat.
So is your boat getting wet?
Mm-hmm.
Is it taking on water?
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to sink soon?
It doesn't sink when the paper gets wet. It's
Just-
not sinking.
Just wait. It's listing already. Do you know what it means to list?
No.
To like fall to one side in the water.
Fall to one side
Yeah.
of the water.
No.
So it's falling to one side of the water and getting all wet.
Yeah. Do you see how this side is dry, but that side's wet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's listing.
This is listing.
Yeah.
That paper is dry and that paper is wet, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
That's called listing.
Mommy knew that, Everett. Oh, you're smart. I think you missed.
If you,
There you
know,
go.
If you
Got
don't
it.
share it, you lose it, right? I don't mind teaching you.
He huffed and he puffed and he blew that ship across the sink. Violet, is that funny?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't hyperventilate. You keep missing.
Can Violet blow on it ever?
If it comes over here. Blow on it, Violet.
You did it!
Like this.
Well,
There you go.
she's not standing where you are, right?
Violet, blow on it.
If you blow on it like I am, then you get pretty
Put
excited.
it over here. Good! You blow on it, Violet. Again. I think it's sinking. No?
Yeah. Well, there's definite water in there. It's not coming in from the sides. It's soaking up from the bottom. Sprung a leak.
Violet?
Ask permission, Violet. It's Everett's boat.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Drink some water. Everett.
Everett, listen and obey to mommy.
That's so it doesn't sink.
Is this like a lock in the Panama Canal or something?
Oh! What's that?
It's
Look
on
at that.
ground.
It landed.
All right, Everett. What do you have to say for yourself?
It's landed as a button cute as a snuggle buckle. More, that, more on it?
What? What'd you say? Violet.
Oh, look. Look. Look at it.
Yeah,
It got water inside.
sure did. Think it'll live to sail again?
Out.
You could try out.
What do you think, Everett?
Hopefully it will dry off so I can float it again next week.
Yeah. Well, you gotta go to bed first. Speaking of bed, what time is it?
Look,
Can you tell time?
it's 7 o'clock.
Well, that's the hour. Very good. How many minutes past the hour? Does the light help?
That's a lighthouse, so we know where it is.
Yeah. All right, buddy. You're stalling now. It's time for bed. Tell everyone night-night.
Night-night.
Say night-night.
Night-night of the boat contest.
Say night-night.
Bye. Goodbye.